Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are safe and healthy. Today, we are going to start with our new lesson Local Self Government, Urban Local Institutions. Topics which we will cover in this lesson are meaning of municipal corporation and functions, and the meaning of municipal committee and the functions. Municipal corporation. Municipal corporation is an elected body that is responsible for running the civic affairs of a large city and looking after various needs of the people who live there. Those are the big cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Bangalore, and so on. All those cities are having an elected body that is considered as, or that is known as, municipal corporation, and that municipal corporation is responsible for providing all civic facilities to the people of that area and running, or we can say, running the civic affairs of those cities. Those who are living in those cities, they are those facilities are provided by the corporation, municipal corporation, to them. The constitution lists 18 subjects. According to our constitution, in 12 schedules, there are 18 subjects which are under the municipal bodies. And those municipal bodies are responsible for those subjects to provide the people who are living there, like town planning, roads, water supply, public health, slum improvement, public amenities, street lighting, public park, public convenience, etc. All these are under the municipal corporation, and the responsibility of the municipal corporation is that the people of under that municipal corporation receive all these facilities. What are the functions of the municipal corporation? Obligatory functions. Out of many tasks assigned to municipal corporation, following are of an obligatory nature, like public health and sanitation. This will require establishment and maintenance of hospital, dispensary, maternity homes, and child welfare centers. It is a responsibility of the municipal corporation of that area that it will provide hospitals, dispensary, maternity home, and the child welfare centers to the people of that area. It also needs facilitate the people of that area for the disposal of the garbage, and it will also take care of the adulteration of milk and foodstuff. Against it will provide rules or maintain the proper maintenance of the adulteration of the milk and foodstuff. There should be no adulteration in the food or the milk, so that people can live a healthy life. Electricity and water supply. The need of the water supply for the domestic and industrial purpose, street lighting, and supply of electricity is also the responsibility of the municipal corporation of that area. Education and sports. The municipal corporation is responsible for the establishment of primary schools, secondary schools, night schools, adult education center, colleges, etc., etc. It is responsibility of the municipal corporation to provide proper education of that people of the people of that area. Corporation also make provision for amenities such as park and playground. Park and playground also under the municipal corporation responsibility. Then public works. The duty discharged by the corporation include the maintenance of roads and bridges. Public works, under public works, whichever roads are there, bridges are there, all these are maintained and constructed by the municipal corporation. Then town planning. Framing of rules for the housing and shopping complexes. Under that area, which type of housing will be there and which type of shopping complexes will be there. All these are under the municipal corporation. Then slum improvement. Slums are there in large cities, and Proper basic amenities should be provided by the municipal corporation, the people, those who are living in the slum area. For children of those areas, they should take proper education, they should have proper parks, they should have proper facilities. Then public convenience is also under the municipal corporation. Then record of birth and death of that area. Municipal corporation is responsible for the maintenance of the record of the birth and death of that municipal corporation area, whichever is under this municipal corporation. Then miscellaneous function. Municipal corporation maintains burial grounds and cremation grounds. It also maintains fire services. Discretionary functions of the municipal corporation. A corporation has the freedom to judge what other functions should undertake in view of the resources that are available to it. Some of the discretionary functions are as follows. Transport facilities. The local authority have responsibility to provide transport facilities to the people, those who are living in that area, like bus services and other transport facilities are under the municipal corporation. In some cities, metro trains are also there. Those are also under the municipal corporation. Then cultural activities. Municipal corporation may establish libraries and museum. Cultural activities like drama, music and painting are also encouraged by the municipal corporation. From time to time, there are many programs are organized by the municipal corporation to maintain cultural activity or to promote cultural activity. Then sports and recreation. The corporation organizes fairs, exhibitions and wrestling events, etc. for the recreation of the people of that area. Recreation facilities may also be provided. Then urban forestry. There are substances that pollute the water, air and atmosphere of the big town. Urban forestry may be encouraged for the protection of the government. In urban areas, number of trees is less. So, to control the pollution of the air, water and atmosphere, the urban forestry can be organized or encouraged to control the environmental pollution. Welfare services. Municipal corporations are expected to launch family welfare programs and to undertake poverty alleviation programs. The corporation can look after the public distribution system also. Public service programs are also under the municipal corporation. It need to check that there should be no corruption in these facilities. Those are provided by the government to the common man of that area. Municipal committee. Municipal committee is an elected body that is responsible for running affairs of a smaller town or an urban area and looking after various needs of the people such as health and sanitation, water supply, fire services, street lighting and urban amenities like park and playgrounds. Municipal committees are constituted in towns and cities having a population between 20,000 to 3 lakh. Municipal committees are elected bodies in the smaller towns or the urban areas, smaller urban areas. In larger urban areas, municipal corporation is there, but in smaller urban areas, municipal committees are there. Municipal committees are in the town and cities which are having population between 20,000 to 3 lakh. Like municipal corporation is having different functions, same way municipal committees are also having the same functions. Municipal corporation have to provide for larger area and the municipal committee for the smaller area. Obligatory functions. Out of many tasks assigned to municipal committees, the following are the obligatory functions like public health and sanitation. Municipal committee takes responsibility of maintaining hospital, dispensary, cleaning public lanes and preventing the sale of the rotten food and adult food, milk, etc. It is responsibility of municipal committee that proper hospitals should be provided to the people, proper dispensaries and maternity homes and child welfare centers should be provided to the people of that area. And side by side, adulteration of food is also checked by the municipal committees. Then electricity and water supply. It is the responsibility of the municipal committee to provide water supply as electricity the people of that area. It also have to check the street lighting of that area. Safe drinking water should be provided to the people by the municipal committee. Education and sports. It is the responsibility of the municipal committee to provide primary schools, secondary school, colleges, etc. to the people of those who are living there, so that they can take good education. And sports activities, for sports activities, stadium should be there, so that people of that area, young boys and girls of the area, they can develop their aptitude of the for the sports. Public works, like in the municipal corporation was responsible for public work in the larger areas, same way municipal committee is responsible for the maintenance of road, and bridges, and providing other basic facilities like community hall, shopping center, etc. There in the smaller towns and cities. Same way, like municipal corporation was responsible for the maintenance of record of death and birth, it is also municipal committee is also responsible for the record of the death and birth of the people in that area. Functions, discretionary functions of the municipal committee. Municipalities have exactly the same discretionary function as the municipal corporation has. We may therefore talk about such activities as establishing libraries and reading rooms, constructing stadium for sports activity, organizing fairs and exhibitions, providing transport facilities and other amenities for people convenience. The municipal boards are expected to implement the schemes that aim at providing employment to weaker section of society. Under Nehru Rozgar Yojana, financial assistance was given to the small artisans for self-employment. There was also a provision for the housing and slum clearance program. It is responsibility of the municipal corporation that it should provide the stadium for sports activity, organize fairs and exhibitions for the people of that area, and provide transport facility and other basic amenities to the people for their convenience. Then municipal corporation is responsible for the improvement of the people of the weaker section of the society, and for that there are many schemes are provided by the government time to time, and under those programs there are provisions that housing and slum clearance program should be maintained by the municipal committees. Thank you.